Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the next answer sheet of our the aim for agriculture program. जो हमारा aim for agriculture program है, we have a aim for agriculture program where we are having daily answer writing practice and weekly full test series. So we are discussing the daily answers of this series. So today we are going to discuss the answer of day 9 of this program, and we can see what where the questions asked and how the student has approached the answer. And you can also read the answers. You can pause the video because it will be very difficult to me to explain all the answers in detail. So you can pause the video and read the answer, and you can see how to approach these answers, how the student has approached this answer in overall in brief way. I will discuss how to approach this. So the first question was asked about discuss the issues related to procurement of food grains in India. What are the issues which are related to for procurement of food grains in India? So in introduction, the student has wrote that as per FCI, there is about 50 to 60% of food grain procurement in India is affected by issues such as post-harvest losses, delayed payments, inefficiency, regional disparities. The very intro, and now we will see what are the issues which are related to the procurement. You can pause the video and read the answers also. The first one is the inadequate infrastructure. All we all know that we have the problem of storage, we have the problem of transportation. So these are the major problems. Secondly, delays in payment, especially for the food grain procurement by government agencies. Many time after procurement, the payment is not been given in time, so there are delayed. So it also causes financial stress to farmers. So this is another point. Next, you can see there is inefficiency and corruption at various levels in procurement. Okay, so this is a good point again. There are regional disparities. Obviously, there are many regional disparities in some states such as Punjab, Haryana. The procurement is at higher level as compared to other states such as Bihar, Odisha, where the procurement is at lower level. So you can write these points. Over reliance on certain crops. Obviously, we have over reliance on certain crops such as wheat and rice, and there is neglect for other crops in procurement. So these are the important 4 or 5 points which the student has written. You can also add more points to it, and again concluded with a appropriate conclusion. So this was the first question, and I think you have read the answer, and you have also get an idea in your mind to how to approach this question. So the next question is describe the ways to manage stored grain pests. How can we manage stored grain pests? So in the intro, the student has written that as per PIB, around 10 to 20% of grains stored are damaged by pests like weevils, moths, beetles, etc. So, what are the strategies through which we can manage the stored grain pests? So, let's see how the student has approached the answer. The first one is we have to use proper storage facilities, that is hermetic storage, that is anti-tight contents, PIC bags storing pulses, jute bags which are airtight. So this can be done. We can we should have improved warehouses with proper ventilation, temperature control, moisture management. Obviously, we need to do regular inspection and cleaning. Next, we can also do chemical control, such as we can do fumigations, we can use insecticide. Examples are also used. For example, the example of insecticide, methyl bromide, fumigants, phosphine. So very well written answer. And what I observed that the most of the students in our program are writing very good answers. Okay, but as we can discuss only one copy, we are discussing a copy in which questions are written, and the copy is a bit clearer. Otherwise, most of the students are writing very good answers. Okay, so next we can use protectants such as malathion. We can also use biological predators. We can do integrated pest management. Okay, we can use some traditional practices before keeping them into storage, such as sun drying, use of ash and sand. So these things can be used and again appropriately concluded. And the best thing about this conclusion introduction is that the student is writing the sources from where the data is taken. So that enhances your answers. So I must also give you a tip: whenever you are writing some data try to give the sources. If you remember, try to give the sources. It will enhance your answer. So these two are the 10 marker, and the next question was a 20 marker question. The question was asking about what are the major advantages and constraints of rice wheat cropping system. So we all know that rice wheat cropping system dominate our agriculture, especially in the Indo-Gangetic plains. And after Green Revolution, these two crops highly dominated in India. So we will see what are the advantages. Obviously, it offers increased productivity, it offers very high yield, it efficiently uses water resources, it gives a stable income to farmer. Obviously, we all know that uh, how much income rice and wheat have provided to farmer. It provides infrastructural development. Okay, for example, Vakra Nangal Dam was due to this only. In Green Revolution, it also provided nutritional security. So not nutritional security, food security. So from a net importer, we become the net exporter of these two grains. So these are some of the advantages, but there are certain constraints also. Okay? Every coin has two sides. So the constraints of rice wheat system was that the major constraint was soil degradation. It highly degraded the soil. There was problem what water resource. Water resource was highly depleted. Pest and disease problem was there. Environmental damage due to leaching of fertilizers in groundwater, eutrophication in nearby water bodies. So these were the environmental damage. Soil damage, the soil lost its fertility to a huge extent. Economic constraints, obviously we needed a high amount of fertilizers, we needed irrigation, so these sometimes also caused economic constraints to the farmers. There was labor shortage because these two crops are highly labor intensive. So a very beautifully written answer, and I hope you have paused the video at certain instances and read the answer. That would have given you an idea to how to approach this question and again appropriately concluded. So this was the answers of day 9, and I hope you like the video, and I hope you understand the questions and you have read the answers, so that can be helpful to you. So if you like the video, please do like it, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to bring such programs for you, make such videos for you on regular basis. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you on regular basis. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.